Roll, 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 rock and roll. Greetings. Blessed love in the name of His Majesty and Her Majesty. I'm going to sing a song for you called Weaver Bird. This to all the Rasta sisters in the world. And this is a great song to introduce this business structure that's Cool Mom Records, which at the moment is my personal business, but the process is such that we shall soon make it a business that is owned by the women of the world. So it's registered, and I am here now trying to recruit, mothers, cool moms, to take it over. And in that process, we have to create a constitution. So I have two videos here, and this first video is the one I'm just gonna sing a song as an introduction. And then in the other one, I'll talk more about the constitution. So the song that I'm going to sing is called Weaver Bird. And a weaver bird is a bird we have in Africa, maybe in Asia as well. It's a very beautiful bird, at least the male. The male is beautiful. It has many colors and it sings wonderfully. The female is dull. I don't know about her song, but I heard somewhere that she doesn't sing too sweet. Anyway, these birds, they mate for life. I've heard stories about weaver birds, tragic stories about weaver birds. That when they lose their mate, they can die from missing their mate, But they mate for life, and that's it. There's nothing. Once they meet, that's it. That's the law. And the male builds the nest. No. And the nest is not any nest, The nest is kind of like, it's intricate, and it has an entrance, It's a piece of architecture, and do with the beak, obviously, because that's how Jah said it. And when the male has finished building the nest, it presents it to the wife, and the female comes and looks at the nest and inspects it. And if it's not up to scratch, then she destroys the whole thing, right down to the last straw, grass, gone. And he must begin all over again. And this process goes on and on and on until they finally get the nest the way the woman feels that, it's got to be like that. Then she can lay her eggs, and that's how it goes. So in this story, what I'm presenting here as a constitution is the nest, the place to nurture the next generations, and to make sure that this business, this music business, is not one that's going to exploit them, but is actually going to nurture them and take care of them, but at the same time take care of those who lay the eggs, the cool moms, to make sure that the nest is there, a real good nest, that the majority of the profits from the music industry should go into our communities. That's the whole point of Cool Mom Records. And so I sing you the song, and in the next video we'll talk more about the business. See? Blessed heights, love, Rastafari, blessings ever. And Empress Menen. This is the Empress Menen order. Finally made it home. Sorry, I should tell you, I wrote this song when I went to visit my father's place in Tonga land in Malawi, where the Tongas live. I've been separated from my father since I was maybe a year old, and my mother was married to a Danish man. So I've had that experience, but I did go search for my father, and it was there that I was told the story of the weaver bird, So it's kind of like also a story of forgiveness, especially from the male point of view, to forgive every time the woman destroys something that maybe there's a reason, and you just got to patience, don't get mad, build up again. See? So now we can begin. Nest. finally made it home. Weaver bird is there on a tree. There is an angel standing by your side. They walk this earth to keep the people free. So treat her with love, weaver bird. Build another nest if she tear apart the first. Oh, treat her with love, weaver bird. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Build another nest if she tear apart the first. Yeah. Bonnie man, you're out in the field. Weaver bird is there on a rock, Lord. There is an angel standing by your side. They walk this earth to protect the Father's flock. So treat her with love, weaver bird. Build another nest if she tear apart the first. Oh, treat her with love, weaver bird. Build another nest if she tear apart the first. As a woman by your side, all the women of the world. The woman by your side is all you need. Woman by your side, all the women of the world. Woman by your side is all you need. Da 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 da, yeah. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Swazi man, you finally got your dream. Weaver bird is on your guitar. There is an angel standing by your bed. They walk this earth to protect the special stars. So treat her with love, weaver bird. Oh, build another nest if she tear apart the first. Oh, treat her with love, weaver bird. Yeah, yeah. Oh, build another nest if she tear apart the first. 'Cause the woman by your side is all the women of the world. The woman by your side is all you need. All you need. The woman by your side. All the women of the world. Woman by your side is all you need. Ooh, yeah, I also forgot to say that the Tonga, that is part, my father's part Tonga, part Swazi, from the royal families, both places. And then the Ngoni, that's another part of my bloodline, which is also royal family from the Ngoni people. And then Swazi is also a royal family, like I said before. So that's who I am. It's just royal blood within I, doing a royal duty to take care of our people, which is why we're creating this constitution. And the walk from Cape Town to Cairo is to go see about my people. It's not one big adventure, it's just a royal duty. See? Blessed love, Rastafari. Heights. Yo. Let's stop this thing.